Home Minister Amit Shah's big relaunch attack on Rahul Gandhi. As expected, he takes a jibe at Rahul filing his nominations from Rai Bareli. Amit Shah says this is another relaunch or another attempt to launch his political career.
राहुल बाबा, इस सोनिया जी ने, मोदी जी ने तो एक ही बार ट्राई किया और चंद्रयान लॉन्च हो गया। ये राहुल बाबा नाम के यान को सोनिया जी 20 बार लॉन्च कर चुकी है, मगर लॉन्चिंग इनकी सफल नहीं हुई है। और आज 21वीं बार फिर से अमेठी से भागकर रायबरेली में पर्चा डाला। अरे राहुल बाबा, मैं यहां से रायबरेली का परिणाम बता देता हूं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रत्याशी दिनेश प्रताप सिंह के सामने आप रायबरेली से प्रचंड बहुमत से हारने जा रहे हैं। मेरी बात लिख।
Right, as expected, a relaunch jibe coming from the BJP senior leadership. Home Minister Amit Shah himself saying that Chandrayaan was launched in the first round itself successfully by the Modi government, but Rahul Gandhi's political career is relaunching nearly 20 times. This is a jibe the BJP has taken even in the past, now sharpens it as today Rahul Gandhi has filed his nomination from Raebareli. Samarth is still with us. Samarth, the attack of Chandrayaan landing successfully in the first attempt by the Modi government taking credit for it, saying they launched Chandrayaan itself in the first attempt, but Rahul Gandhi's political career has taken nearly 20 relaunches.
Well, exactly, Navila. This is politics where you can clearly see the taking credits policy comes on, be it BJP, be it Congress, be it Samajwadi Party. The game has been the same, be it in the states, be it in the country. But if you talk about the statement made by the Home Minister of India, that means Amit Shah, he clearly said, his statement clearly signifies that Rahul Gandhi's failed attempts in the politics, be it from Amethi or from various other fields, because he was the Prime Minister candidate in the previous election. The party, in a way, made him the Congress president at some point of time. He failed. So these were the versions by which Amit Shah wants to target Rahul Gandhi, and he says that Sonia Gandhi wants to, in a way, take Rahul Gandhi forward. Party has made various attempts, but every attempt failed, while Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi's one single attempt of Chandrayaan made it possible. So you can clearly see there is an alert around the collectorate office, and we can sense that any time from now, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Robert Vadra could come out from the collectorate, and it's going to be worth seeing what Rahul Gandhi will be saying about his nomination from the Raebareli, and that's why security has been tightened right here. In a way, the guards of the Congress party right here around with this particular vehicle, because this was I'll ask my cameraman to just move across this place and we'll try to get the exact sense. See, this is one particular gate where we can expect Rahul, Priyanka and Robert Vadra, the entire Gandhi family will be coming out from this particular gate only, and these will be the first visuals from the Raebareli after the nomination filing.